No camera needed. You do not require a website for this to work, nor do you require to invest and give away any of your cash. Today I have a 100% accessible and very much extraordinary technique to share with you, through which you'll be eligible to make hundreds of dollars again and again with absolute relaxation. Stay coordinated to find out how. With that announced, even though this is an exceptionally easy way to get paid online, and with all of that announced, let's now jump directly into this tutorial, dudes. As I announced prior, I do undoubtedly have a very extraordinary technique to share with you. It's completely perfect for beginners, as you will soon see. It is not too complicated whatever, nor will you be paying anyone to do the fundamental work for you. With that being announced though, I advise you all to stay with me and keep watching, because the platforms I will demonstrate you in this tutorial we will not be using in a way that most of you would believe. As such, if you try to do everything yourselves, it vastly likely won't work out for you. Without additional ado, here is the initial platform you will require to go over, and the platform that is a huge part of this area unique. It's called WeFly.com. For those who haven't listened about this site, and I know there will be many of you, this is practically a place where you come to if you are looking for a way to develop your YouTube channel. By using WeFly, you can increase views on one or additional of your videos on YouTube, and more honorably, you can do so organically. So this website will not sell you altar views, but will entirely get you real views on your videos, making WeFly the go-to place for people who are clashing on YouTube. Besides, WeFly, as you can see on Trustpilot.com, is very much legit. It has very decent reviews, with most people satisfied with the website and the features it offers to its users. And this will be exceptionally significant later on in the video, so remember these reviews in mind. Now with that announced, here's an enormous clarification. You will not be establishing videos on YouTube and then paying WeFly for them to grow. That is not what we will be doing whatever. This is why I said before it's valuable you keep watching. The platforms I will demonstrate you we will not be using in a way maximum of you'd think. Anyhow, with that little of information out of the way, what you wish to do once you come on to WeFly.com is you wanna sign up. You can of course take a glance at all of the spotlights of the website offers if you are attracted, but since you won't be paying them, that really isn't essential. To sign up to WeFly, what you require to do is click on the register button in the upper right corner here. On the succeeding page, enter in your full name in these two compartments, your email just below, and then your password, which you'll also prefer to retype as well. Ultimately tick this box and click on sign up below to establish your brand new account. That is if you wish to do so through email. If you want to make things much simpler for yourself, I highly suggest just signing up via Google by clicking right here. It's extensively faster. Either way, when you log in, this is how everything will now glance like. You'll be eligible to get views to a certain video by clicking on promote new video here. You'll then just paste in the link of the video, click on promote now, and that's it. As I announced prior though, we will not be promoting our own videos, so let me now magnify what we are doing with this website. I know many of you are confused as to why I told you to sign up to the platform if we will not be utilizing it to promote our videos. So here's why: because we will be performing drop servicing in order to get paid. For those of you who don't know what that is, drop servicing is practically making money offering a service that you are not doing yourself but instead paying someone else to do it for you. In our case, what we will be doing is offering to stimulate videos for people, and when some of those people pay us, what you will do is then take that money, pay WeFly to promote the video in question, and profit from that. This is possible because WeFly is precisely pretty cheap. Meanwhile, people are demanding big money for increasing views on YouTube videos. That of course begs the question, where can you offer to promote videos for people? Well, the most apparent answer to that would be a freelancing website. In my case, I'll use Fiverr.com here, a site most of you have probably listened about before. Do keep in mind that you can use Peeplepper, Freelancer, Guru, SEO Clark, and all the additional freelancing platforms that you want. Which one you go for doesn't matter all that greatly. Now what you'll do on Fiverr, for example, is you will require to create a gig like some of these people have, and these people are all demanding and making a bunch of money. This individual is charging $30 at a bare minimum, with the premium option costing $50 as you can see, and the announced individual has had nearly 500 reviews. That means that even if everyone bought the basic package here, we'd still be talking about $15,000, which is a bunch. The amount of money made is most likely closer, if not over $20,000, because there will be people who would have bought the additional costly packages. And so what you would do, guys, is you essentially want to charge something like this, around $30 with the fundamental package, and more money with the standard and premium ones. And so when someone pays you $30, for example, you take that money, pay WeFly $15 to promote the video in question, and you would make $15 from a single customer doing actually nothing. How insane is that? You'll just wash and repeat from there, and do remember in mind that some people might pay you additional money, like $100, for example. So in that case, if you give $50 to WeFly, that means you'd pocket $50 from a solo customer despite not doing any of the fundamental work. This is what makes drop servicing so effective. It enables you to make an adequate amount of money practically doing nothing but being the central man between a customer and the person who is doing the real work. Someone pays you, you go over to WeFly, paste the video link in here, click on Promote Now, and that's it. You literally make money copying and pasting links of YouTube videos. All you are doing is only taking money from one individual and giving a part of it to another, and doing this has tremendous possibility to make you big money online, as you have seen from that one example I demonstrated you earlier. With that announced though, believe it or not, guys, I have another technique for you through which you can drop service with WeFly and make a bunch of money, and in this case you would want to use YouTube certainly. Your goal on YouTube would be to find recent YouTubers who are struggling and practically offer them your services. And here's how you can do that. First, search for any niche you want to on YouTube. I would recommend the gaming niche, since it's enormous, but it doesn't matter what you search for that much. The goal here is to find new YouTubers. What you wanna do from here is click on Filters and select Today, and this will now demonstrate you the most current of videos, and you will practically look for ones that don't have any views. This one I found yesterday is a very good representation. The channel itself has a mere 5,000 subs, and the video itself doesn't have that many views either. And so what you will wanna do from here, dudes, is contact the holder of the channel telling them that you can increase the views on their YouTube video for a very little price, and there is a very high chance that they will accept. Doing this on YouTube, it's worth noting, is not as easy as it would be on Fiverr, but there is a chance you might stumble across somebody who is willing to invest a lot of money for more views on their video. So it does have its share of advantages, and in the end you can want to earn more money than if you were just utilizing Fiverr on its own. Either way, dudes, one thing's for sure, with this strategy you'll be able to make a lot of money online in passive and inactive income, practically doing no work whatever, as guaranteed, and that's it. If you're exploring ways to produce money online, and if you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. If you have additional questions, please feel independent to comment down below. Catch sight of you in the successive video.